Welcome to the Dintalks Channel. Today Dintalks Channel has come up with new videos. And that's his 5 best mini drones of 2022. Link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. The 5th one on the list, ScharkSpark. This drone is equipped with a 2K HD camera, Wi-Fi, dual camera to take wider and clearer photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can watch the drone capture footage in real time on your phone. It's good for selfies. Our drone with a camera can 3D flip, roll and circle in the air, capturing more different angles and making flying more interesting. You can take a more professional and cool scene outdoors. The drones for kids have advanced waypoint flight technology. You can draw a unique flight path on your phone, and drones will fly according to the corresponding path. When you want the drones to hover, you can hover the drone in the air with the altitude hold function, allowing you to take more stable pictures. Our drone for kids and adults has 3 speed modes from low to medium to high. Different speeds give you different flying experiences. If you pose a V or palm to the Wi-Fi camera, the drone with the camera will take a photo or video. Turn on headless mode to control the drone to fly in one direction all the time. You can play as much as you want without worrying about it flying at will. You can draw the flight path you want through the phone app, and the drone will fly along the route. The 4th one on the list, Ryze Tech Tello. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. The camera features 5 MP fork photos and HD 720p videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Flying has never been so fun and easy. When you get Ryze Tech Tello powered by DJI, 4X propellers pair, propeller guards, set, battery, micro USB cable, propeller removal tool. Video capture resolution, HD 720p. Now available for Tello is a mobile programming app that supports Scratch. Students can command Tello to perform corresponding movements by dragging coding blocks on their smart mobile devices. The 3rd one on the list, DJI Mini SE. Light as a smartphone, DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. It can resist 29-38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Capture on the go, the lightweight and powerful camera drones are ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. More time in the sky weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Capture the detailed 12-megapixel aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. The 2nd one on the list, DJI Mavic. The DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo Remote Controller, 3X Intelligent Flight Battery, 3X pair of spare propellers, carrying bag 360 degrees propeller guards, 2-way charging hub 18-watt USB charger, 2X micro USB cable, gimbal protector, RC cable light-in connector, pair of spare control sticks, screwdriver 18X spare screws. Drones for adults are designed to be lightweight and portable and comes with a carrying case, so you can take a drone to explore the world everywhere. This drone with the camera has a function with 1-key start/landing, headless mode, 1-key return, and 3 speeds to choose from low, medium, and high. This is the best Christmas gift for boys, girls, and adults because it is easy to operate. Full range of accessories. This mini drone comes with 2 modular batteries for a total of 40 minutes of play. Battery replacement is also easy for kids, and a USB cable is included to charge the batteries. In addition, the drone with a camera comes with 4 propeller guards and 4 spare propeller blades. The last one on the list, DJI Mini 2. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress, along with a 4K 30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Perfect shot. DJI Mini 2 supports 4x digital zooms, providing more options. When recording family, friends, or pets, you can safely capture your subject without flying too close. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient. Built-in OCU Sync 2.0 allows adjustment automatically between two frequencies, which extends Mini 2's max transmission distance to 10 kilometers for even more flexibility. DJI Mini 2 supports 4x digital zoom, providing more options. For today's video, links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.